हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू? कैसी पढ़ाई चल रही है? तो टुडेज 29th लेसन आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन अबाउट द लेफ्ट ओवर दिस डिज़ाइन, नेटवर्क डिज़ाइन, intermediary designs for cellular services, mobile phones, and then I will talk something about rural market. Okay, so let us see what is this cellular services. Mobile phones कैसा है ये मार्केट? वेरी सिमिलर टू कंज्यूमर ड्यूरेबल्स, उसी की तरह है ना ये। इसमें सर्विसेज चाहिए। तो बट देर आर थ्री थिंग्स दैट कस्टमर वांट. व्हाट आर दैट? वन इज हार्डवेयर, व्हाट यू आर गिविंग फिजिकली टू द कस्टमर, that physical set, mobile set, that is hardware. Then software, how does it run? In that software is there Android, iPhone, something like that. Then services. Services is what? That machine should run, your mobile set should run for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, something like that. So for that, who will give services? If even after the warranty period, if there is some damage, that should be serviced. Who will give the services? So these three services are required to the customer, and all the three are different supplier, but you are not seeing it. Customer is not seeing that all three are different. They only buy the mobile set from the dealer or the company's own sales team. तो डीलर का क्या होता है? फ्रेंचाइजी होती है, जैसे ऑथराइज सर्विस, ऑथराइज्ड डीलर होते हैं। सैमसंग का आप देखते होंगे, वीवो, ओप्पो, समथिंग। तो बट very few shops are there that they are very much dedicated, that like leader are there, no, that market leader for Samsung. You will see that one exclusive shop is for Samsung because the business is very high, that is very significant. Dealer is earning money, but for other company it may not be like that. तो डीलर वहाँ पे क्या होते हैं कि मिक्स्ड होते हैं, वहाँ पे सारे प्रोडक्ट होते हैं और सबके वहाँ पे सेल्समैन होंगे, कंपनी के भी लोग वहाँ पे रहते हैं। तो डीलर और फ्रेंचाइजी, फ्रॉम देयर यू गेट द mobile set. Then software is supplied by different party, but it is not visible to you. You are seeing in the mobile itself that some software update has come. ये क्यों चाहिए? क्योंकि आपका मोबाइल सुरक्षित हो, आपका बैंक अकाउंट सुरक्षित हो, आपके प्राइवेट जो इंफॉर्मेशन है वो सुरक्षित हो. For that, updation is required, or new features they are giving. That company is making, doing research work, bringing some new features. So how will you get it? After doing this updation only. Then services, that is service centers are there. Either the seller is having the service center or separate. Nowadays it is separate service centers and they are provided by different entity. तो आपको या एक और पॉइंट था कि ये जो हार्डवेयर है, जो फिजिकल मोबाइल सेट है, दैट इज सप्लाइड बाय कंपनीज टीम आल्सो, कंपनीज सेल्स टीम आल्सो. हाउ इज इट? आइदर ऑनलाइन और दे विल हैव देयर ओन आउटलेट, फिजिकल आउटलेट यू कैन हैव. वन प्लस है ना, वन प्लस मोबाइल सेट दे आर सेलिंग डायरेक्टली from the company. You have to buy, you cannot get it in some any outlet. So like that, it is different companies having different ways to sell, either through dealer having lot of brands, or franchisee just exclusive brand, or through online. Then software, that is given through the company only, but you are not meeting any person or any entity for getting the software updation. It is done automatically by the company. And the services, you already know that service centers. And one more, B2B clients are covered directly, that company can sell to institutions, that is B2B. Now see what is rural market. रूरल मार्केट मेरा बहुत ही फेवरेट टॉपिक है. तो रूरल मार्केट में क्या है? वाई इट इज सो पोटेंशियल? वाई आई एम सेइंग देयर इज हाई पोटेंशियल ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल फॉर रूरल मार्केट? वाई? लेट अस रीड इट. 850 million people live in rural India as per census 2011, almost three-fourth of India's population. थ्री फोर्थ ऑफ इंडिया पॉपुलेशन, 140 crores का थ्री फोर्थ रूरल इंडिया में है. तो इट इज एज पर 2011. अभी तो और भी कितना बढ़ गया। तो ये सच ए बिग पॉपुलेशन, हाउ कैन यू इग्नोर? एंड द साइज क्या है, मार्केट साइज इट इज estimated at 240,000 crores, 240,000 crore, यानी 2,40,000 crore as of 2015, and estimated growth of 8 to 10% per year. So now it is 9 years over, around 80% growth over this. So 80% growth. So another you add how much? Around 200,000 crores you can add, yani 440,000 crores as on date. Such a big market size. So if you ignore it, means you are losing a lot, or you are not having confidence in your product. So big companies like HUL, Colgate, Gillette and Philips have been effectively reaching the rural market for many years. तो इसलिए आप देखते हो ना, 642,000 villages, 647 villages are there in India. So in that, even HUL product, है ना, that Dove soap, Dove shampoo और हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर के जो भी प्रोडक्ट हैं, यू आर सीइंग इन द विलेजेस, कॉलगेट के टूथपेस्ट, टूथब्रश, जिलेट शेविंग क्रीम, दिस ऑल थिंग्स, फिलिप्स के जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आइटम्स, ऑल these things are visible in rural market. Why it is visible? They have applied effort. उन्होंने इसको इग्नोर नहीं किया। इतना बड़ा मार्केट है, अगर इसको इग्नोर करेंगे तो वो हाउ कैन दे बिकम द लीडर? So one example is here. Potential of rural market can be understood by taking the example of Coca-Cola. It is growing at over 35% in rural market compared to their growth rate of 25% in urban area. Coca-Cola लगभग सभी जगह उपलब्ध है ना? In urban, तो you are seeing already. In rural area also, wherever you go, you will get this cold drink, Coca-Cola. Coke कहो तुरंत मिलता है ना? So they have applied so much of effort, and it is seen that their growth in urban area is less, 25%, whereas in rural area it is 35%. So why should you ignore? How can you ignore it? Penetration levels in rural market are quite low due to three reasons. क्यों penetration कम है? There are three reasons. Different in lifestyle. Their lifestyle is different from this urban area. Then low income levels. उनका इनकम लेवल थोड़ा कम है, एंड इनएडिक्वेट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर। इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मतलब रोड्स, रेल, communication, all this are very not much developed. So because of these three reasons, we are not taking much pain to penetrate in the rural market. So, but it is there, high potential is there. It may be different region, 100 many regions, but that is giving you room for development. Now what is that attractive trend in rural market? तो रूरल मार्केट के बारे में क्यों इतनी चर्चा करनी चाहिए, क्यों ये अट्रैक्टिव है? बिकॉज नाउ इनकम लेवल्स ऑफ रूरल इंडिया इज इंक्रीजिंग। द स्टडी सेज दैट इनकम अभी बढ़ना शुरू हो गया है, तो वहाँ पे अब इनकम बढ़ रहा है, तो दे हैव गॉट हाई बाइंग कैपेसिटी। Two well-known initiatives of companies to provide reach for their products to rural consumers and also facilitate movement of agricultural produce to urban market are HUL Shakti and ITC eChopal. These two companies, they took initiative, HUL and ITC, and there they have branded name like this, Shakti, HUL Shakti, and then ITC eChopal. Through that, what happened? They could sell their product to the rural market, as well as they could buy their produce and they sell it to the urban area. So it was very good platform for rural market as well as the urban market also, because the produce from the rural area, it is coming to the urban area also. And who were taking initiative? HUL and ITC. Efforts by the mobile services provider Reliance Infocom set out to get its network to about 400,000 villages, around 50% of rural population. तो फॉर नेटवर्क इम्प्रूवमेंट आल्सो, मोबाइल का पहले आपको याद होगा, दिस 2 3 दिस प्लेयर्स वेर ओनली देयर, एंड BSNL, एयरटेल, something, and they were having good network in urban area, whereas in very means very weak in the rural area. So it was very difficult to get network in rural area. But who took initiative? Very high initiative. That was Reliance Infocom. They just made it net of network. पूरा जाल बिछा दिया, और 400,000 विलेज, 4 लाख विलेजेस को उन्होंने कवर किया. एंड जो हम बता रहे हैं ना, इतना पॉपुलेशन है 850 मिलियन, उसका 50% इन्हीं 4 लाख विलेजेस में है. ऑल्दो देयर आर 624,000 विलेजेस, 6,24,000 विलेजेस, बट 400,000 विलेजेस में ही 50% पॉपुलेशन है. सो इस पे ज़्यादा उन्होंने कॉन्सेंट्रेट किया. Godrej Aadhaar plans to set up over 1,000 stores to benefit rural consumers. Godrej also, they took initiative and they opened 1,000 stores to benefit rural consumers. Then Amul, LG, LIC, BSNL, and Hero Honda are some of the other companies which have made inroads into rural India. They also, these companies also took initiative and they tried to capture the market of rural area. They entered there, they made some network, they made some agents, they they sold as well as they took out, both the things. So this is the way. If you just want to sell and forget it, so what they will feel? They will feel cheated. So you give product as well as services, and if there some positive things are there, you take out from there and give them benefit by selling it, or give the weight how to enter the other market. One rural market is having very rich in particular thing, and other rural market is not having so much of facility or so much of that product. So what should you do? These people can have access to them, and you are selling both the places. You just coordinate to connect them. What will happen? Both will get benefited. So this way, some big companies, good companies, market leaders, they enter the rural market, they are getting benefits. So there are still more potentials are there for other companies to enter the rural market. So how is that rural market? So it is very attractive rural market, and everyone should enter there. Everyone should get benefit of that, and the rural people should also get benefit of these companies. How was this lesson? Did you like it? Please write in the comment box, और suggestion भी दो कि आपको क्या चाहिए. Thank you very much. Once again I will come with one new chapter.